In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your liked photos on Facebook. Now, for us to get this done, it's actually pretty simple, and I'm going to give you a run through as to how to get this done. So for us to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and like a few things. So this is an image right here. I'm going to go ahead and tap the like button, and then down below, okay, this is a video. Let's go ahead and do that one. These are a set of images, and then we're going to go ahead and like, say for example here. There you go. All right, after doing that one, we're going to locate them. You can go ahead and tap this one right here, and then you're going to tap the gear icon. Afterwards, I want you to go ahead and basically look for the activity log. Go ahead and click that over there. And here, what you're going to do is just look for the likes and reactions. This one right here, go ahead and click that. Now, take note though that from this point forward, you won't be able to narrow it down to see only pictures. So what you can do though is just try to take a look at them by checking this out. So this is a post, this is a post, you have their video, and then this is an image. So you have their photo as well and a photo as well here. So yeah, what you're going to do from this point forward is, say for example, you want to go through one of them, you can tap this one right here, you can view it back, you can view that particular person's profile, or you can unlike this one. So yep, that is how it works, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.